Hello everyone. So for the lab 6, for the question 1, you have to identify the log files. On Windows, you can identify these files by going to the event viewer. You can go to event viewer either by hitting the keys Windows plus R and then type EVENTVWR. Click on OK, or you can simply search event viewer here and here. So on the left, you can find the Windows logs where you have various log files like application, security, setup system, etc. So for this task, I'm choosing the security, but you can choose whatever you want. So double click on that log, and here you have various log files with their event IDs and the task category. So you can search for a specific event ID. So to know the event ID and what the task is about, you can go to the website, this one, Ultimate Windows Security. So they have all the event IDs and also defining what that ID meant. Like here, I'm choosing the account log on, or yes, log on or log off. So here an account was successfully logged on means the event ID 4624. Let's check that by going to the filter current log, and here you can check 4624. Click on OK. You can see a list of the logon entries here with that event ID. So for this task, you have to take a screenshot of the general tab. It will be your screenshot 1, and the details tab. It will be your screenshot 2. So for the question 2, you have to identify what history or actions are represented. You can just go with this. You can analyze, you can write. For the question 2.1, how would you modify the user system or file metadata? You can randomly select a file. So I have one example Word file here. So right click on that file and just go to the properties, and you can find the metadata here, or also you can see more in the details tab. So here I'm trying to change the metadata of this file. So right now I'm using the PowerShell. You can use the EXIF tool. Um, so let me just open the PowerShell. So here I'm going to type a command to change the creation time. Let me just make it like way back like 2001. Okay. So I changed the creation time of it. Just open the properties here. So I changed that one. And for the question 2.2, how could you receive notifications when changes to these files happen? As we have changed the metadata, but we have no notification and we can't see when we have changed the metadata. To know that, we can use the auditing option on Windows. So first of all, right click on the file, go to the properties and go to the security. In the bottom, you have the advanced. Click on that and go to the auditing. Click on continue. And here I already gave permission to administrator. You can add another auditing. So here click on select a principal. So now I'll give access to my account. Hit OK. And here I'm giving full control. You can choose whatever you want to and click on OK. Click on apply, click on OK, click on OK. So another time, now I want to change the metadata one more time to get the notification. So here now I'm making it as like 2024. Okay. Okay, now it will change. Okay, perfect. So to know when we have changed this, let's go back to the event viewer. On event viewer, go to the filter current log. So to check whether there is some kind of modification or there is some kind of a changes to an object, you can hit the event ID 4663 and click on OK. And here you can see there is an attempt was made to access an object and the time that I changed it and every details. You can also check it on the details tab, the IDs and all. So you have to take another screenshot when you have like changed the file. With this, either you can take the screenshot of this general. You don't even have to use just this specific 4663. You can use an IDs like 4656. You can check about that IDs by going to this web page. You can have everything here, every ID details. You can check and yeah, you have to just take the screenshot and the other questions you just have to you know just write it on the report. And this is the first iteration and you have to do the same for the second iteration as well. And that's all for this lab. Thank you.